Ang paninira, the Vice President Impeachment Trial. Paninira naman talaga eh. Yung testigo ng prosecution na taga-COA, ang kanyang sinasabi, there are violations sa liquidation ng Office of the Vice President. Pero, pwede pa itong iapila. And furthermore, nasa period of appeal pa ang Office of the Vice President. Ibig sabihin, within the reglementary period pa siya. So ngayon, ang tanong, anong pinag-uusapan nyo dyan? Hindi naman kayo COA. Ha? Ibig sabihin, ang pinag-uusapan nyo dyan, findings pa lang. Hindi pa yan final and executory. Dahil nga, pwede pang mag-apila ang Office of the Vice President sa commission proper. At kung ma-deny, pwede pa itong umakyat sa Supreme Court. So in other words, yung pinag-uusapan dyan sa impeachment trial ay paninira lang. Kasi hindi naman pwede magdesisyon ang impeachment court ng isang bagay na ang COA ang magdidesisyon. That is usurpation of authority. Hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng konklusyon, hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng judgment ang impeachment court on a matter which is not within its jurisdiction. The determination whether or not there was a violation in the liquidation of the confidential fund, whether there was misuse of confidential fund, whether there was a prima facie evidence of malversation, is within COA, which is an independent constitutional body, separate and distinct from the impeachment court of the Senate. Diba? Unless and until the judgment or the order becomes final and executory, no violation has yet been committed. Yung pinag-uusapan dyan sa impeachment court, walang kwenta yan. Dahil pwede pang mag-apila ang Office of the Vice President at pwede pa ito humabot hanggang Supreme Court. The impeachment court cannot pass judgment because ang sabi, di ba, since the impeachment court is akin to a criminal proceeding, di ba, the guilt of the accused must be beyond reasonable doubt. And because nothing yet has been proven to be final and executory, then there is already doubt on the evidence presented. And therefore, the accused should be acquitted. Pero alam naman natin yun. Inuubos na nga yung mga senador na kumakampi ng konti kay Vice President. Masiguro lang nila na ma-impeach si Vice President Sara. Bakit? Kasi yung ginawa nilang proseso ngayon kay Vice President Sara, lahat ng mga shortcuts na ginawa nila, pag si Vice President Sara na nakaupo, pwede niyang gamitin at sabihin, ginawa niya rin yan eh, may president ako eh. Kaya nakakatakot eh, no? Lalo na sa mga magnanyaka o na katulad ninyo. Sayang ang bayot.